Hey guys, welcome to Hema's Home and Garden USA. Today's video is about growing and harvesting lemongrass in North Carolina. This is my beautiful lemongrass plant that I planted it in ground during the spring of 2020. So it looks so beautiful now, but during the winter time it died completely to the ground and I had to chop all the top portion, the dead leaves, so it looked like this during the winter month. By the end of March 2021, I could see little green sprouts coming from the base. So means the plant is still very much alive and I got hope that the plant is going to grow beautifully. So as expected, the plant started growing very beautifully and now I have a very beautiful, luscious, nice lemongrass plant that is absolutely ready for harvest. So I'm going to be harvesting my lemongrass stalks now so that I can use everything, because I cannot leave this in the ground like this because it is going to freeze and die. So I don't want to waste any of my beautiful lemongrass stalks. So I'm harvesting everything now and I'm going to clean it and freeze it and use it for making Thai curries, make lemongrass tea, and also you can use lemongrass infused water or juice. When you are handling the lemongrass plant, I always suggest you to use a pair of gloves because the blades of the grass can cut you. If you want to plant your lemongrass in the ground, make sure you are choosing a place where it gets plenty of sunlight. So such a location will keep your lemongrass roots warm even during the winter months. Please watch the video until the end to see how much I harvested and how I cleaned and separated them for various uses. I'm just choosing to harvest only the thicker stalks and leaving the thinner stalks in the plant, because during the winter months these thinner stalks and the grass may help to protect the roots to a certain extent. So harvesting only the thick ones and leaving the rest behind. So after harvesting all the stalks I needed, I just tied the plant together because the grass was falling apart. So I just pulled everything together and tied it with a rope so that it stays intact. Now that I am done with harvesting, let me put everything on a table and show you how much we got. If you look at the stalks, it's nice and thick. So I have to remove all the outermost parts of the leaves and keep the inner core. So this is the inner core of the plant that you can chop it into thin slices and use it in all the Thai recipes. So they mash it because you cannot use all those outer exterior fibrous parts. You want something that is soft and creamy. So all those fibrous outer exterior rings. I separated them from the thick stalks, and this bowl of stalks I'm going to use it for making lemongrass tea. And these are the lemongrass leaves. I tied everything together using a rope. And you can make lemongrass infused water using this. You can add some lemon juice and sugar or salt according to your health preferences and make lemongrass infused water. There are so many scientifically proven health benefits of lemongrass. You will be amazed if you could go and Google some health benefits of lemongrass. You will be so amazed about it. I hope this video is helpful to all of you. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also please hit the bell icon so you get the notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you all for watching.